Today, I'm going to open this mini mart. It includes real shopping sounds and exclusive mini brands. That means you can only get them in the mini mart. I've collected so many mini brands that now I have somewhere to put them. Let's get started. So first, I need to remove the tape. Now it's time to open it. Let's see what we get inside. Whoa, it's full of... I'm gonna dump everything out. Ah! There's one more. Okay. Here's the manual and so many stickers. I'm gonna open all of them. I'm gonna start off with the big one. Ooh. What is this? I think it's this thing in the picture. Then I'm gonna open this huge one. Oh, here's the platform, I think. I finished building the platform, and now I just need to add these things. What's in this one? Oh. I think these are the cash registers. Oh, this rolling back. Whoa, what are these long things? Oh, it's the little pegs for you to put them in here. Just what I was looking for. Okay, time to pop these in. And then these cash registers, they go right here. Woo! I finally finished building the mini mart and adding the stickers. Now it's time to place them. First, I'm going to place this fruit stand. Put them right in the holes. And then this freezer. Gonna put them like this into all the holes. And this one is where it's gonna make all the lights and sounds. And then I'm gonna place this one right over here. Make sure it's in the holes. And there. Then I'm gonna place these ones. I'm gonna put these ones right in the middle. This. Oh. And placing them. I'm excited to see what's inside for the exclusive mini brands. Okay, let's see what I've got. Whoa! A cheddar cheese Pringles! And I think this, this is car wash. What else? Lots of lollies. And let's see. I got a golden mini brands. I don't know what this is, but it's golden. That was rare. And for the last one, it's still on the box. So I'm gonna get it out. Yeah. There we go. It's a gummy roll. Your gummy. I've added so much more to my collection. It's time to place my mini brands. So, I'm just gonna put them here. I'm gonna put some Dum-Dums and some Mentos up here. And some more of these flat ones on these shelves. And I'm gonna place some more Mentos on here. This one. I don't know what this is, though. I'm gonna place all my toys. So the Care Bear